Hey guys, Francois here, also known as the Tank RC. I would like to wish everybody a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. And I will take this opportunity to thank everybody that came to the event that I actually hosted this year at the Sims, and also the GCM event, the Call to Crawl event. And I'd also like to thank all the sponsors that sponsored some prizes for these events. Not in particular order, but STCRC, Great Hobbies, Radioactive Scale RC from out west, Dave Jones Bodywork RC from Ottawa, GCM Racing, True North RC, and me, the Tank RC, which supplied some prizes also for the event. Hope to see you in the new year. We'll see what's going to bring for us for events and things like that. And we'll see you on the trails. Until then, go charge up some batteries and go out there and have some fun and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Talk to you guys later. Cheers.